This is really beautiful. I'm quite awe-inspired.
It felt like you were very much involved in the whole thing, and just being able to see things moving really puts things into perspective.
It could really help different types of learners, especially visual learners. Like say for example you're in an exam or something, you're trying to remember something, and this is the sort of thing you would remember, I feel, rather than flashcards.
A student can point out things independent of the teacher instead of them necessarily sort of prompting you to give the answer. It sort of forces the student to explore it by themselves and actually maybe find something by themselves.